Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's elesiab, and today we're doing brows. I'm starting off with the Ruby Kisses gel liner in the shade dark brown, and that's what I'm gonna do her brows with. We're working with brows that are basically already full. So when you're working with a brow that's kind of full, you really just need to outline and just go in and fill in the sparse spaces with just little short strokes. And as you see, I'm doing short strokes all the way. I even do my outline with short strokes. Okay, I'm going to do a more descriptive detail when I go over to the next brow. But right here, I'm making my outline for the outer corner. And that's the only other spot I put my outline at. After that, you see me doing these short strokes. I don't make a sharp line on the top of the brow. To me, it just looks unnatural, and it can be harsh. Now, don't get me wrong, some people love that look, but it's not a look that I like, so it's not a look that I do. But you can also do it and still, make your brow look flawless. It's just about, what you want. Okay, so pay attention. I am starting underneath the brow, kind of a little bit more than midway, and I am with short strokes making my outline for her eyebrow. I'm also going to start in the same spot that I started at to make the outline. I'm going to go from that midway point, and I'm going to work my way forward. I'm not going to go all the way to the front of the brow. Not right now anyway, but you'll see how I fix that and clean that up. Now, from the outer corner of the brow, this is the only other part that gets outlined. I'm going to make my outline with short strokes. And now I'm going to get a product on my brush, and I am going to shortly stroke the product in her brow hair to make it look natural. I am going with the way that her brow hairs grow. I am not going against the I'm going with the way her brow hair grows. This way the brow looks naturally full. I mean, well, for one, they are naturally full, but they look naturally dark. So, and that's how she likes her brows. So, excuse me, from here I'm going to, you see, I brush the hairs in place, and it just feel the brow all the way out. I didn't have to do too much work. I'm going to go in and add a little bit more color where I see some sparse areas, but there's not a lot of work to do when you're working with a super full brow. And the more product you put in the brow, the the more cakey the brow look, and the more unrealistic the brow looks. So just note that when working with full brows, less product is really more. Less product is more. So I hope y'all are enjoying the video thus far. I'm going to fix the tip of that brow to make it even with the other brow. And then I'm going to start with concealer. Using a concealer that is one shade lighter, not even a full shade lighter, but lighter, noticeable enough to see that she has a super clean brows. Um, you see how I put the product on her skin first before I worked my way up to the brow line? That is key to not having to blend out a whole bunch of concealer. I always put the product a little bit below the line that I'm trying to mark out, and you'll see on the other brow, I always put it on the skin below the line, because I don't want to have to blend out tons of concealer right up, right up on the brow, because that just makes for more work, more unnecessary work. You have to work smarter, not harder. So look at here now. You see I put it on her skin first, and I work my way up to her brow. Work my way up to the brow, just short back and forth strokes. I'm not really drawing a line. You can, and it all works, whatever you find works best for you. But I always put the products on her skin first, work the product up to the line that I want it to be on. With short strokes, I define the brow line, and it's really as simple as that. Like, I promise you guys, y'all will be able to do it. Do not use a ton of product. It's unnecessary. I know you see a lot of makeup artists that just, they put a lot of products on to outline the brow. But it's not necessary. Like, it's really not necessary. You're really working harder, and you're not working smarter. So with less product, you can get the same look, you know, and then you won't have all that blending work to do. So now for the top of the brow, and I know y'all see my sister rolling her eyes, but we were talking about something, and what comes to me stays with me. So anyway, look at her. But anyway, I'm going to outline the top of her brow with the same shade as her skin. I don't want it to be highlighted at all because I like the most natural looks. So as you can see, you can't hardly even tell the product from her skin color. I'm not using a lot of products. Um, I am going to define the top of her brow. Now, yes, with this way, I do put the concealer on the top of the whole brow, although I did not put the liner, like although I did not like outline the whole brow, I am going to put the product all the way across because I still want that brow to pop out and be defined, you know. Um, and that way it's still just like it gives that look that I want. I don't It gives that look that Alicia B wants, you know. It's just my thing. But I'm gonna continue to do the concealer. Y'all make sure y'all stop right now, like this video because it helps me with the algorithm. Like the video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and make sure you cut your notifications on to get posts for all of my videos because like I said, like I told y'all last week, I'm coming every week. Okay, bet on that. Bet on that. Anyway, I'm gonna finish the brow. I'm going to blend the concealer, and then you will see the final product. And I hope you all are pleased. If y'all try it, if y'all don't like it, let me know. If y'all try it and y'all like my technique, also let me know. My Instagram is elesiab.beauty, and follow me on there too. So, and let me know. Post me in y'all videos. Tag me in y'all pictures. Let me know if y'all got it. Anyway, I'll see y'all in the next video. Do not forget to thumbs this video up. I need y'all's help. I need y'all's help, and I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all.